The rules of the game, navigating SAT and ACT test day procedures. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of SAT and ACT exams. As you prepare for these pivotal tests, it's not just the content you need to master, but also the test day rules and procedures. Let's understand them together so you can walk into that exam room with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power, and being well prepared for all aspects of the test day is your key to success. Understanding and following test day rules are crucial for several reasons. 1. Ensuring fairness. The rules are there to ensure that every student has an equal chance to showcase their abilities. 2. Preventing malpractices. They're designed to prevent any form of cheating or dishonesty. 3. Smooth administration. The procedures ensure the test goes smoothly, without disruptions. Here are some of the cardinal rules to remember. 1. Arrive early. Ensure you arrive at least 30 minutes before the test start time. This will give you ample time to find your seat and relax. 2. Valid ID. Always bring an acceptable photo ID. The name on your ID should match the name on your admission ticket. 3. Use number 2 pencils. Ensure you have several sharpened number 2 pencils. Mechanical pencils and pens are typically not allowed. 4. Allowed calculators. For math sections where calculators are permitted, ensure you bring an approved model. 5. No electronic devices. Phones, smartwatches, and other electronic devices are generally not allowed in the testing room. If brought, they might be collected or you could be asked to power them off completely. 6. Stay in your seat. During the exam, remain seated unless given permission to leave. 7. No discussing the test. During breaks or after the exam, discussing questions is prohibited. 1. Scheduled breaks. Both SAT and ACT have scheduled breaks. Use this time wisely to stretch, hydrate, and have a snack. 2. Clock watching. While the proctor will keep track of time, it's a good idea to wear a simple watch, without an alarm, to manage your pace. Unintentional mistakes happen. If you unknowingly break a rule. 1. Don't panic. Distress can affect your performance. 2. Communicate. If you realize a mistake, like bringing a non-permitted item, let the proctor know immediately. 3. Stay cooperative. Always cooperate with test officials. Their main aim is to ensure the test's integrity and they'll guide you on what to do. And that wraps up our guide on SAT and ACT test day rules and procedures. Remember, these rules are there to help everyone have a fair and smooth testing experience. We hope this video sheds light on what to expect and how to prepare for the big day. Good luck, and remember, knowledge is your superpower. Stay prepared, stay calm, and give it your best shot.